Sorting columns using macro. We can create a macro that performs the sorting operation, that is, arrangement of data in ascending or descending order. In this illustration, we are sorting data stored in different cells in ascending order by using a macro. Follow the given steps to do so. Step 1. Select the cell in which data is stored. Step 2. Click on the Tools menu. Step 3. Select Macros option. A submenu appears on the screen. Step 4. Select the Record Macro option. The Record Macro dialog box opens with Stop Recording button. Step 5. Click on the Sort Ascending option present on the standard toolbar. Step 6. Sorted data will appear on the screen. Click on Stop Recording option. The Basic Macros dialog box appears on the screen. Step 7. Click on New Module button to create a module. The New Module dialog box appears on the screen. Step 8. Type the name of the module. Step 9. Click on the OK button. The Basic Macro dialog box will appear. Step 10. Type the name of the macro in the macro name text box. Step 11. Click on Save button. The macro will be created. To use the created macro for sorting data in ascending order, let's try in a new set of data. Step 1. Enter the data to be sorted. Step 2. Select the cells containing data. Step 3. Click on the Tools menu. Step 4. Select the Macros option. A submenu appears on the screen. Step 5. Select the Run Macro option. The Macro Selector dialog box appears on the screen. Step 6. Select the module containing the desired macro. Step 7. Select the macro created for sorting data. Step 8. Click on the Run button. Sorted data appears on the screen.